We got the Rock Island VRBP 100. That's a mouthful. But anyway, we got a 2 3/4 inch slug. Well, that's some wolf dub walk buck, but I got a slug under that. Good look at it though. 2 3/4 inch, 1 ounce slug. And I got a milk jug and a bleach jug, and my son put a cinder block behind it. We're going to hit it with it, and I'm hoping, I lined this up not too long ago, but I've had the sight, the red dot off of it, so I hope it's still lined up to hit it, but we're going to find out. And we're going to shoot this thing and see how big a splash we can make. And if the first one don't work, we'll get it with the second. We'll hit it with double walk buck for after. Are we ready, son?
Yes, sir.
We'll get the knee and the jug. Oh, you get the jug. You're cool. You're cool. Ready?
Yeah.
See if we can find the bull. We definitely busted the milk jug. And somehow I shot over. I held a little bit high, and we shot over the bleach jug. So I guess we got us another target to shoot.
And then
That was kind of weird.
Then there's
is-
the cinder block.
Check the milk jug out. It is destroyed.
I hate
But
to get shot by
I
that.
think I seen what happened. I believe it hit it more on the side than the front, maybe. Or, yeah, that's what happened. So, let's try that again. I'll put the bleach jug. I'm going to set it up here this time. We'll get us a good view of it exploding. We won't catch the... I'll shoot this with double walk buck. If it's going to set. Yeah, here we go. All right. Boy, like I say, things blow up, so we're blowing some stuff up. But he's safe. I believe he's trained well. You ready?
Yes, sir.